Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem, unplug the cable, and remove power immediately. Examine the USB-C plug and flex point near the connector to find bends or kinks. Once you spot deformation, use a hairdryer on low heat to soften the jacket for 20-30 seconds. This prevents cracking when you reshape it. Make sure to protect contacts from heat and avoid flames. Now position a small flat tool under the bent area to begin gentle realignment while the jacket is warm. You continue by carefully realigning the internal wires and outer jacket. Hold the connector steady and bend the cable slowly in the opposite direction until it sits straight. Use needle nose pliers only for minor adjustments. Extreme force can sever conductors. Once aligned, slide appropriate size heat shrink tubing over the affected area and shrink with the hairdryer, or wrap layered cloth tape tightly for strain relief. Make sure the tubing or tape covers the flex zone fully to prevent future bends, and you finish by testing functionality. Plug into a low-value device and verify charging and data transfer. If performance is intermittent, disconnect and cut back the outer jacket to inspect solder joints and individual wires. Repair any broken wire with solder and heat shrink. Once done, retest. If you smell burning, see exposed copper, or continuity fails on a multimeter, stop repairs and replace the cable. This avoids fire and device damage. Remember, preserving safety is more important than saving a cheap cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.